Do you want to know how to make $10,000 per month in 2024? Imagine a life where you're earning money in your sleep, where your bank account grows while you're enjoying your favorite activities. This is the beauty of passive income, and today we're diving into 5 powerful ways to build it. First up, affiliate marketing. Here's the deal. You promote a product or service and earn a commission on each sale made through your referral link. It's as simple as finding a product you love, signing up as an affiliate, and sharing your unique link. The key is to choose products that align with your audience's interests and needs and to provide genuine value in your promotions. Next, we move to self-publishing. Write a book or create a course once and sell it repeatedly. Sounds good, right? It's about creating valuable, high-quality content that people are willing to pay for. This could be a how-to guide, a novel, or an online course on a particular niche. The trick here is to find a topic you're passionate and knowledgeable about, and then package it in a way that's easy for people to digest and apply. Our third idea is real estate investment. While this might require a bit more capital to start with, the returns can be substantial. You can buy properties and rent them out, earning a steady stream of income. The key here is to do your research, find good deals, and manage your properties well. Next on the list is stock market investment. This is another powerful way to earn passive income, but it does require knowledge and understanding of the market. The idea is to buy shares in a company and earn dividends or sell the shares for a higher price. Remember, investing in the stock market is not without risk, so it's important to educate yourself and possibly seek advice from professionals. Lastly, we have YouTube channel monetization. If you have a passion for creating videos and a topic you're knowledgeable about, this could be a great passive income stream for you. Create quality content, grow your audience, and monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, or product promotions. So let's recap. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products for a commission. Self-publishing is about creating and selling your own content. Real estate investment involves buying and renting properties. Stock market investment is about buying and selling shares. And YouTube channel monetization involves creating and monetizing video content. Remember, the key to successful passive income is providing value, whether it's through a product, a piece of content, or a service. Choose something you're passionate about, put in the initial work, and watch as your income grows over time. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with patience and persistence, it can provide a substantial income stream. Here's to your financial freedom in 2024.